Planting blueberries. So we got 12 blueberries that we're planting, and we're actually hedging these. So we're just planting them 3 feet apart between plants. And you can see here they're at the edge of our woods. So this is going to be, you know, kind of like the barrier, kind of the end of the line of the yard. But we have 12. I ordered 8 from Indiana Berry Company. And then I went ahead and got 4 at the big box store. This is one you can tell came from the big box store because it's already leafed out. This is Patriot. And we got another Patriot. And then we have this one here, bonus variety. It's not bonus as in they gave it to you free. It's actually bonus variety. This one here is Nelson. And another Nelson. And Elliot. We have one Duke. One Spartan. Which one did you just plant?
Blu-ray. All these 4 are Blu-ray.
And then we have 4 Blu-ray. So we got 12 all together. And I had potted these up in compost last week when they first came in these pots until it dried out enough for us to get out here and work in them. So we're just putting the compost around them first and then backfilling with the regular soil here. So 12 new blueberries going in. Blueberries like highly acidic soil, and you can accomplish that by putting in sulfur, mixing in sulfur with your soil to make it acidic. So, and then we just started them at the end of these couple of apricot trees. And then there's our raised bed that I need to get over there and clean up a little remake. But this is in an area that's kind of permacultured. So we have a couple naking cherries, which always produce, and I do make jelly and jam out of those. We used to have a lot, but I kind of did away with them for a while, let a lot of them go back, and I don't know why I did that, but I did. So anyways, these are our water systems on the end. We're just getting out here. Looks messy a lot at the very beginning of the season. So, and then these are our gooseberries. And I do have more gooseberries to put in. But you can see they won't be long and they're going to be flowering out on these gooseberries. These were the raspberries we planted last night. We put in 9. These are all fall bearing raspberries. Well, they're actually all season, which is like the ever bearing, but we raise them as fall berries. And you just cut down, trim all the canes to the ground every fall, and then that way you don't get a lot of the disease and that sort of thing. And then we had a misship on our Wowzer cherries, and so we were supposed to get more, but they're reshipping them out. So we just planted the one that they shipped last night. There's the Wowzer, but we'll have a row of Wowzers here. So apricots in the back, and then there'll be the row of blueberries kind of forming the fence line. Then we have our nakings, and then the raspberries here. And then we'll have our Wowzers. And then these are beautiful. These are amazing. These are Carmine. They bear super, super good. These are the Carmine Cherries. And we have 5 of those. You can see those are all bloomed out. But these are amazing cherry shrubs. And if it was morning, these would be absolutely covered with the honeybees. Crazy. I gotta get out here. This is rhubarb. And then you see right there, there's a loner gooseberry in there. And then these are acacia berries. So that's what's going on out here. But I have to get out here, and I have mowed, but I didn't come back in and trim around the rhubarbs. So they're there. And then, like I said, this will be the barrier against where it goes up towards the fence and woods. But there are the 12 new blueberries going in. And then I guess we'll get busy and try to plant our asparagus. We got 50 new asparagus crowns. So hopefully we can get them in. All right, y'all have a blessed day.